Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to record your screen on Windows with free programs. It programs has name OBS Studio. I will show you how to do it. So you have link in the description to this program. And it is that program. Okay, I will show you what here is. First, what you need to do is launch a screen. To record screen, you need to click on this plus, and later on capture a screen. Capture a screen, you click OK, and you have a screen. Here you have option like start recording, and also you may start recording stream. Okay, record videos. Okay, what I have may tell you. Here you have settings, and here you may set quality, language. Oh, it is a good option. It may help you now. Yes. Okay, launch anyway. And look, now it's better. Okay, start recording settings. Here you have option to stream, here you have option to output, you may add bitrate, higher bitrate, there you have a higher quality of your video, but also large place they take on your hard disk. It has more gigabytes. Okay, also recording, audio, quality. You may set here resolution, hotkeys. You may make bit. For example, for start streaming, you may set as ABCD F9, stop streaming F10. Okay, and you click apply. Okay. And yet here is option with microphone. So you click on the properties, and here you may set on microphone which you want, Bluetooth which you have, and also audio device. So headphone, you may choose it what you have. You may set loudness. And you may turn on, turn off voice. You may set also make set screen recording. You may also set other things like look where it is. It is text. You may add text. Yes, I can see. You may set. You may make it invisible and visible during recording. Okay. And I think that that's all. Oh, one thing. You may click on the filters, and here you have options like compressor, expander, gain, noise gate. Noise gate, which allow you remove your noises, and also you will now hear it. Click your mouse button. It is also very helpful during your recording videos. Okay, so it's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I hope that I'll help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.